Hello, my dear students. How are you? We are still taking our classes using the distance learning in our beloved school, Rosary Sisters School. Today, we will take the writing section of Unit 7. It's so easy. Just keep following with me and everything will be clear, inshallah. I'm your teacher, Ala Hamad. It's my pleasure to be with you in this section. The outcomes are to know the elements of simple informational text, to write easy informational text. Let's see what we have. The elements of simple informational text. Here we will take some elements of simple informational texts. Let's see what we have. Number 1, we have to have heading. 2, subheadings. 3, pictures and photos. 4, labels. 5, paragraphs. The last one, linking words. Just as first, then next, finally, etc. Actually, they are 5 elements, but I put linking words with them because this element is just as important as other elements. So, number 6 here, linking words, is very important in our texts. Linking words, or in Arabic أدوات الربط, like first, then, next, finally. Now, before applying these elements on our texts, you must memorize these words in Arabic also. Look at these words. They are very important. You have to memorize them. Number 1, ancient. Look at the sound cha here, ancient. 2, scrolls. Then roll up, River Nile, Egyptians. Look at the sound cha also here, Egyptians. Read, material, mineral, and the last one is hieroglyphs. Hieroglyphs were the writing system used in ancient Egypt, or in Arabic هي طريقة الكتابة اللي استخدموها المصريين بهداك الوقت. Hieroglyphs. We will take another examples about this kind of writing, hieroglyphs. Here you have this page on your Pupils book, page 90. Here we have to apply the elements on this informational text. Let's apply what we have taken in the last or in the previous slide. Writing in ancient Egypt is the heading, of course, the heading. Here we have scrolls and writing materials as subheadings. After that, we have some pictures and photos. Inside each picture, we have some labels. After that, we will have our paragraphs or texts. Good job. Now open with me your Pupils book, page 90. Let's complete the informational text together. Don't forget these linking words, as we said, first, then, next, finally, etc. We have a lot of linking words. So complete with me, please. Scrolls. The ancient Egyptians were the first people who made scrolls. First, they collected river plants next to the river Nile. Then they made a material like paper with plants. Next, they made one long page with the material. Finally, they rolled up the long page and made a scroll. The next paragraph. Writing materials. The ancient Egyptians used pens which they made from reeds. They also used red and black ink which they made from wood and minerals. The last paragraph. Hieroglyphs. Hieroglyphs. The ancient Egyptians also invented hieroglyphs. These were pictures which represented sounds. Some of them were pictures of animals, for example, a lion, a bird, a snake, and others were parts of the body, for example, a foot and a hand. Wonderful writer. So at the end, let me say thank you for your effort in